The Audi A8 is a futuristic concept car that Audi unveiled as a fully autonomous electric luxury vehicle. No steering wheel, no pedals, just a lounge-like interior and AI-powered driving. If you're looking for a voice for the Audi A8, you're essentially imagining the kind of AI assistant or digital companion the car would have. Here's a voice profile I can create for it, both in style and a sample voice line. Studio microphone Audi A8 voice profile. Name: A8, or you can name it something custom, like Ira. Gender: neutral, warm and elegant, can also be customized to masculine, feminine. Tone: calm, intelligent, reassuring. Accent: soft European, e.g., German English hybrid, or optional British English for luxury feel. Style: minimalist, polite, slightly futuristic but human. Speaking head sample voice lines. Startup greeting: welcome. I am A8, your intelligent travel companion. Where shall we journey today? During drive: reassuring. Traffic is light. Estimated arrival in 22 minutes. Enjoy the silence, or would you prefer some ambient sound? Notification: a gentle reminder, your next meeting is in 30 minutes. Shall I prepare the cabin for focus mode? Personality touch: I've adjusted the cabin lighting to reflect the sunset outside. A small touch of nature, even on electric wings. Would you like a spoken voice demo? I can generate one for you. A script for an A8 style assistant for a game, film, or project. Or to customize the voice, e.g., more casual,